Hello, beautiful people, and welcome. I'm Faith Hunter, and I'm delighted to share this yoga stretch routine in bed. Now, this morning practice is perfect to awaken your body, mind, and soul. Let's get started. Get comfortable there in bed, relax those shoulders, start to take a couple of deep breaths in and out of your nose. Sweep the arms high over your head, relax those shoulders, maybe move your spine a little bit and then twist to your right side. That right hand is going to drop behind you, left hand is resting on your knee. Chin is parallel, and you are breathing deeply in and out of your nose. Take another breath here, and then bring your body forward again. Sweep those arms overhead, twist on over to the left side. Same thing. Hips are grounded into the bed, which is connected to the earth. You are breathing deeply in and out of your nose. Stay with it. Setting your intention for the morning. Here we go. Sweep those arms overhead. Now interlace your fingers. Press the palms up to the sky and then lean to your left. Now as you lean to your left, go on and lower your left hand down to the bed. The right arm sweeps overhead. Send the center of your chest and belly up to the sky. You want to make sure the front of your body is open. Breathing deep. Float those arms overhead. Once again, interlace those fingers, wiggle, jiggle a little bit, and then go on and drop that right hand to the bed. Sweep your left arm overhead and hold here. Make sure that left hip stays grounded into the bed, which is connected to the earth, and I just want you to breathe. Slowly unravel that. Roll those shoulders a little bit. And then we're going to get into our neck. So go on and drop your right ear over to your right shoulder. Make sure both shoulders are relaxed and your spine is long. Know that you can stay here, or you can place your right hand over the left side of your head, just giving it a gentle pull. Release, and let's go over to the other side. Left ear to left shoulder. Holding here. Take your left hand, place it over the right side of your head, and give it a gentle tug. Nice and easy. Bring your body back to center. Move those shoulders one more time. I hope you're feeling that warmth that you're creating, stimulating that Kundalini energy in your body. Let's go on and give that head a couple of circles. So gently, slowly, roll your head back and forward and all the way around. Nice and easy. Try not to overdo that little circle with your head. Making sure that you're dropping your chin all the way down towards your chest. And your nose is kind of the guide here, like you're drawing a circle with your nose around your room. Still breathing in and out of your nose. Come on back to center. Place your palms on your knees. And we're going to do a little spinal flexion. So hands are resting on your knees. Chest is going to come forward on the inhale, and you're going to exhale round your back. So just do this a few times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now I also like to lift my chin just a little bit on this one because I want to kind of open up my throat, which is going to be perfect for the day, right? We're starting to stimulate all the energy in the body. After you do a few of those, you can sweep those arms up, fold forward, and just be. Taking this nice forward fold to stretch out your lower back. Deep breath in as your heart softens. Maybe contemplating the energy that you want to take into the day. Stay in that forward fold and walk your hands over to the left side. Now, just kind of leaning over that left leg, stretching over to the left side of your bed. Getting a nice stretch in through the right side of your body, holding here as long as you like, breathing in, breathing out, and then gently walk your hands all the way over to the right side. Keep that left hip grounded. Don't overdo it, just feel the gentle stretch. Be aware of your body, Be aware of your breath. Go on and inch yourself back to center. Rise up to unravel your left leg. Extend it out to the side and place your left hand on your left shin or on your bed as the right arm sweeps over your head. We're getting a nice lateral stretch here. Deep breath in, exhale. Make sure you are flexing your left foot. Another breath or two. And then if you'd like, you can start to fold over your left leg. Now your hands can rest on your bed or reach over and grab your left foot. But remember that right knee is still bent, left foot is flexed. When you're ready, slowly lift up and let's do it to the other side. Extend that right leg out, flex your right foot, sweep those arms high, elongate your spine, and then lean into your right leg. Left arm is sweeping overhead. Deep breath in, exhale. Now you can start to shift and fold your entire torso over your right leg. Relax those shoulders, lead with your heart, just soften over. Don't feel like you have to place your knee on your shin. It's still early in the morning. Slowly inhale, lift your body up. Cross those legs again. And we're going to really ignite and do a little breath of fire. Powerful inhale, powerful exhale out of the nose. Now, if you were pregnant or on the first day of your moon cycle, you are not going to do this. Just take long, deep breaths. Now, if you'd like, you can activate a little mudra energy. You're going to do the Surya Mudra. Surya Mudra is for the sun. The thumb will touch the ring finger, and we will do breath of fire. Now remember, it's a powerful inhale, powerful exhale out of your nose. Keep the spine long, shoulders are relaxed, and keep pumping. Find a pace and rhythm that's going to work for you. You can do it really fast or you can take it slow, in and out of the nose. When you're done, take a deep breath in, sweep those arms high overhead, spread your fingers wide, stretch, 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 and then exhale, release. Roll those shoulders a little bit. Relax your hands on your legs. Take a few more easy breaths in and out of your nose. Keeping the eyes closed if you'd like. You can even find a mudra or just be. And while you're taking these last few minutes, set an intention for the rest of your day. Place your left hand over your heart, your right hand over your belly. Take a few more easy breaths in and out of your nose. Taking these last few seconds to seal in your practice, sealing in your intention, and honoring your body, your mind, and your soul. Thanks so much. Ciao.